The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro stands as a testament to Garmin's commitment to innovation in the realm of multisport smartwatches. Building upon the legacy of its predecessors, the Fenix 8 Pro introduces a plethora of enhancements aimed at outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and tech aficionados alike. Design and build quality. The Fenix 8 Pro is available in two primary sizes, 47mm and 51mm, catering to a wide range of wrist sizes. The 47mm model is equipped with an AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks, while the 51mm variant boasts an MIP, memory-in-pixel, display, ensuring optimal visibility under direct sunlight. Both versions are constructed with premium materials, including titanium and sapphire glass, ensuring durability and resistance to scratches. Tech 6G, +1. Phone Arena, +1. Display technology. The integration of AMOLED and MIP displays in the Fenix 8 Pro provides users with options tailored to their specific needs. The AMOLED display delivers rich colors and sharp contrasts, enhancing the visual experience, especially in low-light conditions. Conversely, the MIP display excels in bright environments, offering superior readability and extended battery life. Battery life and charging capabilities. Garmin has made significant strides in enhancing the battery life of the Fenix 8 Pro. The 51mm AMOLED model offers up to 29 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, while the solar variant can extend this to an impressive 48 days under optimal sunlight conditions. For GPS-intensive activities, users can expect up to 92 hours of usage on the 51mm solar model. These advancements ensure that adventurers can rely on their device for extended periods without the constant need for recharging. Gizmo China, +2. Phone Arena, +2. Tom's Guide, +2. Phone Arena, +4. Gizmo China, +4. Tech 6G, +4. Advanced health and fitness tracking. The Fenix 8 Pro is equipped with the latest Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, featuring multiple LEDs for enhanced accuracy in heart rate monitoring. This sensor facilitates continuous monitoring of heart rate variability, blood oxygen saturation, pulse ox, and respiration rate, providing users with comprehensive insights into their cardiovascular health. Additionally, the watch supports ECG functionality, allowing for the detection of irregular heart rhythms, such as atrial fibrillation, pending regulatory approvals. Mighty Gadget. Sleep tracking has also been refined, with the Fenix 8 Pro offering detailed analysis of sleep stages, including deep, light, and REM sleep. The inclusion of a skin temperature sensor further enhances the accuracy of sleep assessments, providing users with a holistic view of their recovery and overall well-being. Navigation and mapping features. Garmin has integrated advanced navigation capabilities into the Fenix 8 Pro, making it an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. The device supports multiband GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, ensuring precise location tracking even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban canyons. Users can access built-in topographical maps with 3D terrain visualization, aiding in route planning and real-time navigation. The watch also features a dynamic compass and breadcrumb navigation, assisting users in retracing their steps during off-grid adventures. The Tech Advocate. Smart features and connectivity. The Fenix 8 Pro is designed to seamlessly integrate into the user's digital ecosystem. It supports offline music playback, allowing users to store and listen to their favorite tracks without the need for a connected smartphone. Additionally, the device offers contactless payments through Garmin Pay, enabling secure transactions on the go. The inclusion of LTE connectivity in select models allows for standalone communication, including sending messages and receiving alerts, without the need for a paired phone. The Garmin Connect app has been enhanced to provide a more intuitive user experience, featuring a cleaner interface, faster performance, and deeper insights into fitness and health data. The app offers personalized training plans, guided workouts, and progress tracking, empowering users to achieve their fitness goals effectively. Pricing and availability. The Fenix 8 Pro is positioned as a premium offering in Garmin's smartwatch lineup. Pricing varies based on model specifications, with the 47mm version starting at approximately $799 and the 51mm variant reaching up to $1,199 for models equipped with advanced features like titanium frames and LTE connectivity. These price points reflect the advanced technology and premium materials incorporated into the device. Conclusion: the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro represents a significant advancement in the realm of multisport smartwatches. With its robust design, advanced health and fitness tracking capabilities, precise navigation features, and seamless smart functionalities, it caters to the diverse needs of outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. Whether embarking on a multi-day hike, engaging in intense training sessions, or navigating urban landscapes, the Fenix 8 Pro stands as a reliable companion, offering unparalleled performance and versatility.